Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome, //flags and acting immediately. This is the only way to force site darkening. Once done, type dark into the search box and locate Force Dark mode for web contents. Enable that flag using the drop-down because browser-level rendering applies to all pages. Then click the Relaunch button to restart Chrome. Make sure to save any work before relaunch. The change won't appear until the browser restarts fully. Once Chrome restarts, go back to Chrome, //flags and open the Force Dark mode drop-down to choose how dark is applied. You should pick a transformation algorithm. Options vary by aggressiveness and color fidelity. For most sites, choose a simple HSL or moderate option to avoid crushed contrast. Test common pages like news or forms. If content looks washed out, return and try another algorithm. Make sure to relaunch after changing. You finish by relaunching Chrome one last time to lock in the chosen algorithm, then browse normally to verify readability. If some sites render incorrectly or images get inverted, disable the flag and relaunch. That immediately reverts rendering. If problems persist, reset all flags to default from the Chrome, //flags page and restart Chrome, which restores safety. Remember, this single flags-based method is the only built-in way to force dark mode across web contents in Chrome, so adjust.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.